Hello and welcome to Learn Love Tutorials. Today, I will show you how to add colors going from plain, like this and to these, using the mask technique on your phone mobile. Let's get started. Go to your CapCut app. Click on New Project. Choose the video or picture that you want to work with and click Add at the bottom. Next, click Overlay. Click Add Overlay and choose the color that you want to work. Then click Add. Move the overlay color to cover half of the background picture or video using 2 fingers to zoom in and zoom out. Just like this. With the overlay picture or video, we are going to use the mask technique. Scroll all the way to right and look for Mask. Click on Mask. Click on Horizontal. Drag the yellow line up like this. Click Invert. This is the feather symbol. Click on it and drag to the desired look. You can play around and see what you like. I think this looks really nice. You can use this method with any colors, any pictures, or videos to achieve this look. To save, click Export. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials, because this channel is created for you, and I will see you on my next videos.